So now we need to test vision. And I'm going to need a volunteer. Okay, Sharon, I love it. All right, put your worksheet down, your clipboard down, please. So now,
this is where not my strong point. So
okay.
be prepared.
All right. So how do we test for your vision, your visual sensors, okay? So we have to eliminate the brain depending on our feet and ankles. So when we eliminate that, the brain automatically defaults to using vision to keep us stable, to keep us balanced so we don't feel dizzy. So the way we would do that is we will have someone stand on an unstable surface. So now the brain can't depend on sensation of touch and motion because it's inaccurate. Okay? Yeah. The brain automatically defaults to using the eyes to stabilize. 20 seconds. So 1 foot on each box right there, please. And I'm going to let you go. Yeah, she has a little issue here. Yes. Okay.
My worst issue is when I was going for therapy, I would do the exercise thing where you're laying back. Mm-hmm. And when I was done, I'd get ready to stand up and about fall over.
Okay, you might have, we'll discuss that later on.
Okay.
All right, yeah, she is. Now, obviously, this is a subjective way to test it, right? We're just eyeballing. Obviously, you don't have an $80,000 equipment at home, okay? When I test this here, I would use my NASA technology equipment. But at home, you can test it by standing on a seat cushion or a thick pillow. Okay? Thank you, ma'am. All right? So, making sure that you understand how that's being tested. So, I eliminated the use of touch and motion from feet and ankles. Now, I'm depending mostly on my eyes to stabilize. Now, someone who has an impairment will do this, which is exactly what she did. Okay? She cannot look straight ahead and just arms relax. So what she's doing is she's doing one of these. She's still trying to use her legs and ankles. Okay?